Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Stripe webhooks with dashboard endpoint logs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Stripe webhooks using dashboard endpoint logs, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section in the left-hand menu. Click on Webhooks to access your webhook endpoints. Identify the webhook endpoint you want to verify. Take note of the endpoint secret key, which is required for verification. Next, open the Events tab within the same Webhooks section. Locate the specific event you wish to verify by checking the event list. Click on the event to view its details, including the request body and headers. Find the section labeled Webhook Request within the event details. Copy the Stripe signature header value from this section. Now, calculate the signature using the webhook endpoint secret and the event's timestamp. Use a secure method like HMACSHA-256 to create this signature. Compare your calculated signature with the Stripe signature header value. If both signatures match, the webhook has been successfully verified. If they do not match, investigate the request and the calculation process for errors. Returning to the event details, check the status of the event to ensure it was successfully processed. You can also view any retries made for the webhook in case of failed deliveries. Finally, document your verification process for future reference in audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.